Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm back with another video and today's look is gonna be this one right here. I was planning to do something that is very simple, that's easy to do, because I have a few suggestions to do something that's very easy to follow and using affordable makeup. Today I used this palette here. This is by Maybelline, and I literally just used two shades to create this entire look. So yeah, if you're interested, then go ahead and watch the rest of the video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. To start with, I'm gonna use this primer by Maybelline. This is the Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. It really gives that even base to apply your foundation. So I'm gonna start by applying this in the areas that I tend to dry and that tend to crease the most for me, which is in my smile line. It is here. And also under my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and apply that. Now I'm gonna use this bronzing oil. This is from the Bodyshop. I use this to get that kind of smooth radiance to my face. It really helps with dry skin, as it kind of moisturizes and keeps the skin very smooth, and it's also very easy to apply foundation after using a kind of oil. I'm going to use my beauty blender and blend this out. I'm going to use this foundation by MAC. This is a Studio Sculpt foundation. So I'm in the shade NC35. So I'm going to place few dots on my face. Now to blend the foundation, I'm going to use this buffing brush by Real Technique. You can just about use any flat foundation brush. I like to use this one. It works this works fine for me. Now I'm gonna go in buffing motion and blend the foundation. I'm going to use the NYX setting spray to set the foundation. Normally you use that spray once you're done with your look, but I use this after my foundation because my foundation starts to crease after like 5 minutes of applying it, and after I started using this, it did not crease as much and it did really help. So I'm going to go in and use that. Now let that set. Before I start with my eyes, I always set my eye with a powder. You can just use about any face powder or something that's of your same skin tone. I'm going to use this one here. This is the transparent powder by Rimmel. So I'll use a powder brush that looks like this and go in and set my eyes. If you use foundation on the eyelid, it always creases. Like you can tell here if it you can see how it creased here. When you set it with powder, you can avoid that from happening. I left mine for too long, that's why it creased, but if you set it right away, it's not gonna crease. Then I'm gonna use this Nudes palette by Maybelline. This is a very beautiful palette. I love it. It has these really nice natural shades, and which are not too crazy. This is perfect for a normal everyday kind of look, or for any natural look, or if you're not up for crazy colors, this is a palette you need. This, I love it. I can't. Okay, now I'm gonna start off by using this color here. I'm gonna use this blending brush. It is not by any brand. This is not a branded brush. This is just a normal brush that I bought from a local store. So this is the one I'm going to use. I use this in the outer crease of my eyes. So I'm going to start from here and go all the way like that. It's okay if you mess up because you can always conceal and correct and all of that stuff. So there's like a line here, okay? You don't bring this down, you just go about like that. I'm gonna take a brush that looks like this. It's a flat brush. This is something that looks like this, and I'm going to use this one. It's like golden shimmer kind of color. I'm gonna dip it right in. Now I'm going to use this here in the eyelid. I'm gonna go back in with the same color and smoke it out. Now I'll use this blusher here. This is by Maybelline. I'm not sure what shade this is, but I will put it down in the description. I'll use this brush by Real Technique. This is the multitask brush. I'm just gonna rub this in. Moving on to the lips. I'm going to use this lipstick by Maybelline, the shade 240. It's called Barely Brown. This is a really beautiful color. I love it. So this is the look that I ended up doing. If you want a quick glam, this is what you can go for. It's easy. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you liked the tutorial, give it a thumbs up, and if you'd like to see more, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, until next time, bye. Thanks for watching.